My friends, let me ask you a question. Why do so many people fail in life? Some think failure means falling down, losing money, or being embarrassed. But let me tell you the truth. Failure is not an event. Failure is the cumulative effect of a mismanaged destiny. If you fail to plan for your life, if you fail to manage your money, if you fail to discipline your decisions, guess what? Someone else will hire you to build their dreams while yours wither away. Now think about that. Whose dream are you working for right now? Yours or someone else's? Today I want to tell you about the principle of laws. Here's the good news. God is too wise to create anything without laws to guarantee its success. He created birds to fly. If a bird cannot fly, God's name is in trouble. He created fish to swim. If a fish cannot swim, God's reputation is in trouble. He created seeds to grow into trees. If a seed doesn't produce, then God failed. But God doesn't fail, which means He built into everything laws that guarantee success. And here's the secret. Life is governed by laws. Whether you know them or not, they're working. If you align with them, they work for you. If you ignore them, they work against you. Let me give you a funny example. When you buy a car, the manufacturer gives you a manual. It says, use unleaded gasoline only. Now imagine you say, well, I like orange juice, so I'll put orange juice in the tank. Guess what? Your car won't pray for mercy. It will die on the road. Why? Because you violated a law. Too many of us are pouring orange juice into our lives, living outside God's principles, then wondering why we keep breaking down. Your success in life is determined by the level of your discipline and vision. Now let me say something that may sting a little. Success is predictable. Failure is also predictable. Both are products of decisions. Right now, wherever you are in life, it's a result of decisions you've made. Not the devil, not your neighbor, but your decisions. When I was 14 years old, I wrote down my vision. I want to travel the world. I want to build schools. I want to own my own aircraft. I want to advise governments. Now here's the question I asked myself. Does smoking get me closer to this dream? Or further? What about drinking? What about sex before marriage? I realized alcohol would kill my liver, drugs would kill my brain, and careless sex would give me responsibilities I wasn't ready for. So my vision determined my discipline. Hear me, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know where you're going in life, then you'll do anything with your life. These days I see many young people with great vision, but they cannot do without a woman. They have sex with every woman or man that comes their way. Listen, at 17, I was in a music group that became #1 in our country. Thousands of fans, girls screaming in the front row. After concerts, some would invite us out, asking for sex. I told them straight, the moment you ask me for sex, you are no longer my friend, you're a distraction. Why? Because a true friend helps you reach your destiny, not distracts you from it. Let me pause and ask you, who in your life right now is pushing you toward your destiny, and who is pulling you away from it? I want you to know there is a purpose behind every God's law. Now some of you think God's laws are restrictions. Don't fornicate, don't lie, don't cheat. But let me give you a better perspective. When you buy an iron, the manufacturer writes, do not use near water. They don't explain why. They don't tell you that you'll get electrocuted. They just say don't. God is the same. He doesn't explain every law. He just says don't do this. Why? Because He is protecting you from destruction. So when God says don't fornicate, it's not because He's trying to stop your fun. It's because He wants to protect your memory. He wants you to live life with joy, not regrets. Some of you are suffering today not because of the devil, but because of broken laws. Let me tell you a story of a woman who came to me, crying, Dr. Monroe, I lost my job. I'm going to die. I have 2 children, no husband, no money. My life is over. I looked at her and said, my dear, you don't have a problem. You just need to think differently. I asked her, do you have an oven? Yes. How often do you use it? Once a week. I told her, you're sitting on wealth. Take your last paycheck, buy flour and oats, bake cookies, and take them back to the hotel that fired you. give them out for free. She thought I was crazy, but she obeyed. The next day, people started calling, "Do you have more cookies?" Within a year, she had 22 employees, her own cookie factory, and became a millionaire. Listen carefully. You are not poor, you're just not thinking. The wealth you need is already in your house. Everyone in life wants to be wealthy, but not everyone in life knows the principle of wealth. Listen to me, God doesn't give you money. Deuteronomy 8 verse 18 says He gives you the power to create wealth. That means ideas, concepts, creativity. If you're praying for money, stop. Pray for ideas, because ideas, when cultivated, produce wealth. Remember, rich people accumulate, but wealthy people produce. They don't wait for the environment, they create wealth. And wealth isn't just about money. You must be wealthy in 1. Spiritual wealth with God. 3 John 1 verse 2 says, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper, and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. So God's laws and principles enable you to be wealthy spiritually. 2. Mental wealth, knowledge and wisdom. Proverbs 4 verse 7 says, Wisdom is the principal thing, therefore get wisdom, and with all thy getting get understanding. Solomon asked for knowledge and wisdom, which gave him clarity as king, and also made him wealthy. 3. Physical wealth, health and strength. Health is the foundation of true wealth. What good is financial success if your body is too weak to enjoy it? Strength, energy and vitality are assets that money alone cannot buy. Without physical wealth, even billions lose their value. 4. Relational wealth, family and friends. True wealth isn't measured only by money, but by the quality of the relationships you keep. Family and real friends are treasures that no market crash can take away. When storms of life come, it's not your bank account that comforts you, but the people who stand beside you. 5. Influence, impact on the world. The highest form of wealth is influence, the ability to leave a mark on people's lives and shape the world beyond your lifetime. Money may fade, possessions may be forgotten, but the impact you make on others becomes your true legacy. Listen to me carefully. If you only have money but no health, you're poor. If you have money but no peace in your marriage, you're poor. True wealth is holistic. Ladies and gentlemen, there are kingdom keys for wealth. Jesus said in Matthew 16 verse 19, I give you the keys of the kingdom. Notice, keys, plural. These are laws and principles that guarantee results. Success is not a mystery, it's predictable. When you follow God's principles in life, you will succeed. When you ignore them, you will fail, and your life will be miserable. So here's my challenge to you. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop waiting for miracles. Start applying laws. Say this out loud right now in the comment below. I will never be poor again. I will live by God's laws and I will succeed. If you watched this whole video and enjoyed it, drop a comment like this: I watched till the end. Just comment that I watched till the end. When I see your comment, I will give you a heart to continue your journey to success. There are 3 more important steps you need to take in order to achieve financial freedom in life. First, like this video. Second, subscribe, and thirdly, turn on the notification bell, because we'll help you discover secrets of success from the world's best books and great people. Our expertly curated content covers a wide range of topics, including money management, side hustles, investing, passive income streams, problem solving, secret of success, and much more. And this channel will help you on your journey to wealth. If you subscribe, I will continue to bring you life-transformative information every week for free. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll be dishing out even more golden nuggets of knowledge. All I'm asking for is your subscription. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, it's because you understand the importance of improving your financial situation. Tell us in the comments how this video has impacted you and where you are watching us from. We'd love to hear your story. Thank you for tuning in. You are the Billionaire Mindset Media Makers. Be sure to watch our other videos displayed on your screen now. We love you.